Yep. Alright, next part up. We ended up getting spacers for the front of the Mustang. I already had spacers in the back of their car. So they're way too tucked in. I don't like the way they look, so I'm gonna try to bring them out as much as I can. These are 1-inch spacers. We're gonna end up installing them, see how it works out. If I like it, then we'll keep them. If not, I'll try to see if I can go up a little bit more so they can kind of stay as flush as possible with the fender. So let's open this up. Alright. So here we go. These are 1-inch spacers. Real nice. Pretty solid. These are actually hub-centric spacers, so they can fit nice and snug in between the hub. All right, let's get to installing. All right, so we're here with my boy Gio. He came to the rescue to help out. So we're gonna take this tire out. We're gonna end up putting the spacer. All right, so tire's out. And Gio's putting the spacer on. Fits nice and flush. All right, so Gio wrapped it up here. He ended up putting the spacer on. Nice and tight. We're gonna end up putting the wheel on it, and then we're good. We finished here. I'll go ahead and show you guys. Let me grab the flashlight. So spacer's on. Gives a nice little flush look to it. Man, I'm telling you, this car needed those spacers, man. The front, that little gap that it had inside the tire, that shit was bothering the crap out of me. But me and Jill got it. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next project. Hopefully getting the window louver in the rear. We'll keep moving.